What's going on, guys? It's Ellie, and today I'm going to be reviewing showing you my 2 jumbo squishies. So I order on Amazon, just a normal Amazon. I don't use Amazon Prime because I don't mind waiting a couple of weeks for them. So these are the ones I'm going to show you. I'm going to start with the ice cream, because I want to save that one to last, because that's like my favourite. So here is the ice cream squishy. I really like this because it's really soft, and like there is a bow here and like a face here and a face here. It is really squishy, and yeah, I really love this squishy. I recommend buying it because it took about like 1-2 weeks maybe. I definitely recommend getting this because I love this squishy and it doesn't easily break, which is really good because most squishies break really easily, but this one is pretty good because I've had it for quite a while now. So yeah, that is my ice cream squishy. Okay, so next I'm going on to the bread squishy that I got like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I'm not sure. But I haven't had this one for long actually, so this is what it looks like. It looks really realistic, that's what I like about it. But yeah, I really like it. And it is like the softest thing ever. And it smells like, it kind of smells like fruity, kind of. But yeah, I love my bread squishy. It is like the squishiest and softest thing ever. And it's really slow rising. And you could get different colours, but I got the normal bread squishy because, yeah, I liked it. So yeah, that is my bread squishy. Yes, this is good. I recommend getting this because I wasn't actually expecting it to be this big. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting this. It is like one of my best squishies I have. So yeah, and it is really realistic and squishy, and yeah, I just love it. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do the ratings now. Squishies that I just showed you. So the first one I did was my ice cream squishy. I would rate this because I really love it, and the only bad thing about it is that it had like a few marks on it when it came, like this mark here and a few marks the other way. But overall I love it, and I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. That's, yeah. Okay, so the last one I showed you was my bread, so I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because I just love it and I recommend getting it, and I just love it because it's so soft and squishy, and yeah.